Seventh program of chapter 1 types of the Sumita Arora class 12 textbook, which is so what we'll be doing is we'll be finding the summation of integers from n to 2 times n if n is non-negative, and the summation of integers from 2 times n to n if n is negative. So this is actually quite easy program. So how do we start? So we condition of uh, well, n greater than 0 greater than equal to 0, by the way, or n less than 0, or we can basically say else, the else condition, right? So we start that. Well, if n greater than equal to 0, right, then we'll just write, we have to create a for loop for I in range n comma 2 times n plus 1, right? And this now I just say s plus equal to I, and then once the loop is ended, if I print s comma is the summation full stop, then that will be my answer. But now I have to also include my variables. So let's do one comment for that, variables. So we'll have s is equal to 0, and we will have n is an input. Int input, enter a number, enter an integer, sorry, enter an integer, right? That's what it'll do. It'll give us the summation. But now we have to also do, so this is the n greater than equal to 0. Now let's do n less than 0. For this, we can just do else for I in range. I'll do this 2 times n comma n plus 1, right? We do s plus equal to I, and then we just print s comma is the summation, which, and that will be your program. So I will just demonstrate it. I'll enter an integer. Let's enter 2. So now I'll just show how it will look. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. That's going to be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So that demonstrates our positive part is correct. And again for minus 2. Minus 2 again. How will that look? Well, minus 4 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 2, that is equal to, this is going to be equal to minus 4 minus 3 minus 2, which is just minus 9. So that shows that this program is indeed correct, and this is the output that one would get. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share this video with all your friends, and goodbye.